Hey everybody, I got an item for review, so check out the video, please stick around and I'll see you there. And by the way, it's a jacket. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I already took the item out of the package. It came in this white package from Amazon. So it's packaged really nicely. Northgard men's casual cotton long sleeve coat, full zip, windbreaker jacket, army green, XL. So I was asked to do a review on this item. It comes in a nice unzippable bag, which is pretty nice. And the bag says Cloudy Arch on it. It's got a nice black back as well. Move the camera. This is what the jacket looks like. It has a nice green it's a plastic zipper. Has like a really nice green fleece style inner lining. It's got a Shake Wolf patch on the outside. The sleeves are not fleece lined. It does have a hoodie. And the hoodie is detachable. That's pretty nice. Check that out. You can take the hoodie off. That's pretty cool. The tag says Shake Wolf, Zeton Wolf, wear resistant clothing, select quality, classic fashion. It does have a kind of a denim feel. I wouldn't say that it is denim though, or what's it called? Hold on, let me grab my phone real quick. Let me save this on Amazon real quick. Orders. It says it's sold by YXP. On Amazon, it's 9933 Army Green. This style with the pockets. On the picture, it's kind of gray, but in person, the actual fleece lining is green. It says men's winter thickened cotton military parka jacket with removable hood. removable hood and waist draw cord. It says it's Sherpa lined, so to me it looks like fleece, but you know, it says fabric made of 100% cotton, the lining made of 100% polyester, Sherpa lined, more comfortable and warm. The lining's 100% polyester. It does look like the picture. If I click on it, zoom in, it does show this same Shake Wolf emblem. The jacket though, no, I guess on the photo the jacket does have some patching. But we're gonna do a review on it, see how it feels. If I like it, you know, give them a review. They want me to do a review on several other jackets. The buttons are nice. The buttons kind of look like little microphones in my opinion. It's a well-rounded jacket. It seems to be very well made. Put it on. Oh, it fits me pretty well. So it is true to size. That was something I was concerned about. I was concerned that it was going to be, the sleeves are going to be too long, or it was the extra large wasn't going to fit properly. And it's a little bit bigger than me, which is comfortable. I do like that it's got dual sleeves. It's got 2 sleeves, which is neat. It's actually really nice. This actually functions. I like that it's got a pocket on this sleeve. So, I just figured I would show you guys an unboxing of it. I do like the green. The green is actually very nice. I do like that the hood has buttons as well. That is nice. I also like that you can remove the hood if you don't want to use the hood, which is a very nice feature. We'll put the hood back on the jacket. Zipped up fairly easy. The hood also has drawstrings. So next time I will do the review after I wear it for a few months. See how well it holds in the rain. The website states it's canvas-like material on the front, which it kind of does feel like canvas on the outside, but you know, canvas water beads. So if I'm in the rain and this doesn't water bead, I can tell you right now it's just probably regular cotton. But all in all, it's actually a very nicely made shirt, or jacket, I should say, jacket slash parka. The fit is really nice. It fits me pretty well, and it does have a tag on it. Brand NG Art number JKZTL 9933, men's G7 size, extra large, origin China. So So on the website, at least it's correct, 9933. It does have a Chinese tag, which we can always rip the Chinese tag off of it because, you know, it doesn't tell me much of anything. I don't read Chinese, but all in all, it's a pretty nice jacket. So the next video I do on this will be a review. Thank you guys for sticking around for the unboxing. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icons for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Don't cost you a dime to use one of my affiliate links to shop on Amazon, and it will help me out of anything that you purchase, whether you just use my link to go to Amazon and then you do your normal shopping. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and Amazon will give me a little piece of the pie, you know, send me some money for sending over to Amazon, and helps me do things like this and do reviews on items and buy items for the channel. And comments down below, criticisms, likes, dislikes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.